Hey guys, it's Deshawn with Love D. I'm working here in my workshop today, and I've been making some really cool live edge mirrors. Check those babies out. So I thought I'd do a video and show you how I do it. Let's get started. The materials I'm using today are a 16 by 16 mirror from Walmart, my brad nailer or staple gun, whichever you have and prefer to use, a palm sander, my detail sander, sandpaper grit from 60 to 220, some clamps, some liquid Nails Fuze It, which is good for multi-surface, some strips for the sides, and my 2 pieces of cherry for the live edge. So here what I'm doing is using my detail sander with 60 grit sandpaper to sand all the rough surfaces of the wood, get most of the bark off and all any loose pieces that I can, so that when I go in with my finer grit I'm able to really polish the wood and get it as smooth as possible. I find with my detail sander I'm able to really get into the crevices and nooks really well, and it really helps to make a really nice smooth surface for the finer grit as we go. Here I'm applying my liquid Nails Fuze It, which is good for multi-surfaces. I chose this brand because I've had good results with it. You can get it at Walmart or any home improvement store. I spaced my slab about 18 inches so that I could have more of the mirror showing than wood. And then I took a piece of poster board and attached it to the back to cover the remaining glue and to give the mirror a little extra support in the back. Using my clamps to clamp down the mirror to make sure it really gets a good fuse with the glue. Once it was dry, I took my brad nailer and attached the strips to the side just to protect the person from the edges of the mirror that are left exposed, being careful with my hammer not to tap too hard. Next, I used my Odie's oil to condition the wood and give it that finished look and polish that I was going for. Lastly, I added some D-rings for hanging. Alright guys, now that we got it put together, we're going to take it outside so you can really see the color of the wood grain and how it turns out. Enjoyed working with me today. See you next time.